If he don't answer this door, I can't believe I just locked myself out.
Queen.
I locked myself out. Please open the door.
Oh my god. I can't. I'm in tears right now. You are just something told me to check the ring, and you got your hands crossed like this is some bullshit. I don't want to call him. He better look at this damn thing right now. How did you lock yourself out? Oh my god.
Jesus.
Now I gotta go down. Now I gotta go down 3 flights of steps. I was already up in the bed and everything. God damn it, you need to take a shot for this.
Just